Hello everyone and welcome back to my new tutorial, and I'm going to paint an acrylic sunset painting on canvas. So first of all I'm going to draw and all the elements like what I have to paint, and after that I am choosing my color tubes, especially the particular sunset colors like blue, orange, and I have chosen two flat brushes and four round brushes for filling the background and blending. I'm just putting all the colors in the background so that after I can blend and add the details to my painting. Always keep in mind that the edge of the sky is always in the darkest shade, and the mid of the sky is always lighter than the edge of the sky. So that's why in that way I'm painting light and dark. So keep in mind always the light and dark tones and shades of colors while blending and adding the volume to your painting. And after that I am filling the sky with the sunset time. At the time of sunset, the colors in the sky you have to paint just in that way, so it will look like that it's a sunset time. And after painting yellow with blues, always blend with white colors so that your painting will represent that it's a kind of great blending. And if you don't blend between the yellow and blue with white, it will appear as a greenish sky. The mixture of blue and yellow together will give you a greenish sky. So avoiding that, you have to add white while blending between the two different kinds of sky. You have to add white too. Now I'm giving the sunlight effect on the rippling water. At the time of sunset, the effect of sunlight on the sparkling waters. After that I'm going to paint the sand. It will look like a dark, after in at the time of sunset the sand always look darker in color. You have to paint the edge of the canvas also with the color you are painting to give it a very finished look. Now I'm painting the palm leaves. For this I'm using my fine and a very thin brush. Especially you can use a 0 or 1 number brush for the fine and perfect needle leaves of the palm, so that your palm leaves will give you a very finished and very detailed look. Now your acrylic sunset painting on canvas is ready, and you can place it on your wall, on your shelf, on your table, desk, or whether you are living your drawing room, anywhere you can keep, and you can frame also. And this is a very quick and short tutorial of easy sunset painting. I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and subscribe for more.